The original Razer Deathadder turned many heads when it was first released due to its powerful performance and incredible ergonomics, meaning the way you hold the mouse. But does the new Razer Deathadder Mini V2, can it fill the shoes of its predecessor? Let's find out! Hey guys, this is Chester here. You guys are watching our channel. Right here, we're going to be taking a look at the new, not really new, but relatively new, Razer Deathadder V2 Mini. So this is a mouse, a computer mouse, of course, not the real mouse, designed to be the same as the Razer Deathadder, because now they actually expanded the Deathadder series. They have the regular Deathadder V2 and the Deathadder Pro, which adds more features into it. So this is for the folks who have slightly smaller hands but want the same feeling of the Deathadder. This particular item has the same, which means that it is wired. So there is no wireless shenanigans to talk about. This is just a simple, straightforward wired mouse. On the box, there is regular, they have some standard marketing stuff, which we'll be talking about in a short time. Standard Razer switches, optical mouse switch, and so on and so forth. Alright, let's open this up. Opening up the box, you'll find relatively simple packaging. Some stuff, standard Razer sticker you can paste if you are if you're a Razer fan. Alright, your Razer Deathadder Mini, your manuals, register any tracks and stuff. This will be very useful. It's 3M by the way, so it's you know it's good. Over here is step-by-step guide to what buttons are which we will go through in a short moment. I've originally used the Razer Mamba before. So the Razer Mamba was a very amazing mouse, just that it was really very big for even for a hand like mine. One of the shortcomings of that was it's too big. So when I'm using it around, it feels like it's oversized, you know, it feels like that. So when this was released, I was actually interested to get this so we can actually test it out and show you guys how it looks. This particular cable, they are branding it as the Razer Speed Flex cable, which means that the cable will not get entangled in one way or another. Does it work? Well, I guess only time will tell. Yep. So first impressions of it, it's really small. It's really very small. So yeah, not much complaints. It's good, it's smooth, it does its job. Let's see the back button and the front and the forward button. Yeah. And then we scroll. Yeah, I guess it's good, it's great. I love the mouse. Yeah, I really love the Razer Mamba, so by extension I really love the ergonomics of the Deathadder Mini. Alright, it has Chroma USB, so via USB, so over this, the light up icon and everything, it will be not just green, you know, the Razer green, but you can control it in the Razer Synapse software that you have to download either via Windows, Mac or Linux. Alright, talking about Synapse, this mouse actually has onboard memory. So when inside the Synapse software, right, if you configure the different profiles and everything and you save it into the mouse, that's an amazing thing. Because even when you bring the mouse out to another computer, you plug it in, done. It will work, the profile will work exactly how you saved it in the previous machine. It has a 8500 dpi sensor, which means how fast the mouse cursor moves when you are physically moving the mouse. 8500 in my opinion is overkill. I mean, unless you're running triple 4K monitors, you know, and then yeah, of course you want the woo, yeah. But in any case, 8500 is a lot. Like personally for me, day to day, I only use 3200. I currently use a Logitech G402. That's Hyperion Fury, and that works fine. The max of that mouse is about 4000, and this is basically double that. This mouse has a maximum acceleration of 35 grams. So what that means, 35G, sorry. So what that means is, if let's say you jerk the mouse very quickly, alright, if the acceleration is high, the cursor will move very fast. But if you move like that, like slowly, the mouse will move very slowly. So that's what mouse acceleration means. This mouse has 6 programmable buttons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah, the scroll wheel, if you press it dead center, it has the middle mouse button. Yeah, but unlike its more powerful siblings, the Deathadder Mini does not have side scrolling, which means that the scroll wheel cannot go side to side. You can only go up and down. Alright, it is rated for up to 70 million clicks, so yes, that's a lot. Most probably your sensor is gonna die, your rubber feet is gonna die long before the clicks are gonna die. Yeah, and it's about 62 grams in weight, so it's actually very, very light. The cable actually weighs about the same as the mouse itself, which is okay, not bad. I mean, I can appreciate properly weighted mouse, but at the same time, a light mouse is good because it doesn't cause your wrist to become fatigued, especially when you're using in long hours of usage. In terms of dimensions, the mouse is about 65 millimeters, 56 millimeters, and 38 millimeters. Alright, so it's a bit smaller than the Deathadder regular one. Deathadder is about 70 millimeters, 70 plus millimeters, so it's about, give or take, about 1 cm more in each. You may think 1 cm is not a lot, alright, but because our human hand is actually not very big to begin with. I mean, some have bigger hands. So 1 cm, right, is actually a big difference when we are using. It's between like that and like that. Last but not least, not forgetting the port is actually Razer green. Yeah, I mean, it's Razer, right? And yes, the Razer logo on it. Alright, if not, that actually concludes our unboxing and first look at the Razer Deathadder mini gaming mouse. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. I'm Chester, that's all for today. See you guys.